Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by finding the failure. Check bolts, welds, and bends, identify the weakest link. Once found, clear the area and remove the mattress so you can apply real force safely. Use penetrating oil on seized fasteners and let it soak while you prep new hardware. Make sure to support the frame at the opposite corner so it won't flop. This prevents additional bending. Start tightening only obvious loose bolts now, because early stabilization makes the repair predictable and safer. You tackle the main repair by replacing compromised fasteners with stronger grade 8 or stainless hardware. This prevents repeat failures. When rails are bent, straighten them with a rubber mallet and clamp. If they spring back, add a backing plate and secure both sides. For crack joints, re-weld where possible or bolt on a steel repair plate. Welding is permanent, plates distribute load. Once done, file sharp edges and torque all bolts to spec. This step ensures the frame carries weight evenly and lasts. You reassemble using thread locker on critical bolts and torque them to recommended values. This locks the repair. Once reassembled, test by placing the mattress, then add weight gradually, sit first, then lie down. Listen and watch for any new movement. A persistent squeak or shift means missed looseness or misalignment. If that happens, retorque fasteners, add a cross brace, or tighten slat spacing. The key troubleshooting tip: if the frame still moves, tighten opposite corners and inspect welds again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.